Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial we will see how we can download and install the latest version of Visual Studio Code in Windows 10 operating system. So we need to open up any browser. I have Microsoft Edge, and here I'm gonna open up Google, and after that here I'm gonna search for Visual Studio Code, and the first link is from code.visualstudio.com. that is the official website. We can open up that website by clicking on the link. And here, we can straight away see the download for Windows option. Since we are browsing from Windows, it will display this option. If you click on this arrow, then you guys can see the download option for Mac and Linux. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this other downloads option, and it will take us to this page where we can see some more download options. For example, in this Windows section, we can see user installer, system installer, and zip. And also we can see the 32-bit, 64-bit, and for the ARM processors. Now here I have the 64-bit operating system, so I'm going to download the system installer for 64-bit computer. So I'm going to click on this 64-bit option in this system installer section. Okay, it will take us to this page where it will talk about how we can get started, and the download will begin automatically. If it doesn't begin automatically, then you can click on the direct link which is shown in here. Okay, now the download has begun. We will wait for this download to finish. Okay, now the download has finished. You're gonna click on this show in folder option, and it will open up the folder where we have saved our download. And to install Visual Studio Code, we need to double click on this file, and the installation will begin. If it asks for permission, then click on yes. It will open up the setup window. Here we will accept the agreement, and then we will click on next, and we will not change the location where it will install the Visual Studio Code. If you want, you can make a note of it, which is C program files and Microsoft VS Code, and then we will click on this next, and we're not going to change anything in here. Then click on next. Here I want a desktop icon, so I'm gonna click on this checkbox, and then I want the open with code explorer file context menu, which is nothing but when you right click on a file, you will get this open with code option. And also if you want to have the open with Visual Studio Code option for a folder, then you can check this one also. I don't want that, so I'm not gonna check that. And then I'm gonna register Visual Studio Code as the editor for the supported file types. And after that, we will make sure that add to path is checked. And after that, we will click on next, and we will click on install. And after that, we will click on finish, and it will launch the Visual Studio Code, and it will display the welcome window. So this is it, guys. This is how we can download and install Visual Studio Code in Windows 10 operating system. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, then hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next video.